Namaste to all. It's me, Dev Prasad Pandit. Today I am with another video that is about the summary of a story, A Respectable Woman. It is from grade 12 English textbook. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई कक्षा 12 को अंग्रेजी पुस्तकको दोस्रो कथा अ रेस्पेक्टेबल वुमन को समरी लिएर आज म आएको छु. You can contact me in the following address. तलको एड्रेसमा तपाईहरुले कन्ट्याक्ट गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ. The main characters of the story का प्रमुख पात्रहरू Mrs. Baroda, protagonist of the story, wife of Gaston Baroda. Mrs. Baroda कथाको मुख्य पात्र र ग्याटसन बरोडाको श्रीमती. Governor, journalist, पत्रकार, a college friend of Mrs. Baroda's husband. Mrs. Baroda को श्रीमान को कलेज पढ्दाको साथी. Gaston Baroda, Mrs. Baroda's husband. Mrs. Baroda को श्रीमान. त्यतै setting, sugar plantation in the winter. Winter season मा sugar रोप्दै गरेको setting छ. A respectable woman. एउटा आदरणीय सम्मानीय महिला. The story A Respectable Woman has been written by Kate Chopin. Kate Chopin ले लेखेको कथा हो Respectable Woman. Kate Chopin was an American novelist. Kate Chopin American उपन्यासकार हुन् and short story writer र छोटो कथा अथवा लघु कथा लेखक हुन्. She was born and brought up in St. Louis. उनी जन्मिन् र हुर्किन् सेन्ट लुइसमा and lived in New Orleans मा बसिन् after getting married to Oscar Chopin. Oscar Chopin सँग बिहे गरेपछि she lived in New Orleans मा उनी बसिन्. She wrote more than 100 short stories. उनले 100 भन्दा बढी छोटा कथाहरू लघु कथाहरू लेखेकी छिन्. And among them Desiree Baby, Madame Celestine's Divorce, and A Respectable Woman are the most popular ones. Desiree Baby, Madame Celestine's Divorce, र Respectable Woman चाहिँ उहाँको सबैभन्दा चर्चित कथाहरू हुन्. The language which she used in her stories and novels are full of sexual connotation. उहाँले प्रयोग गर्नुभएको उपन्यासको र कथाको भाषाहरू यौन अर्थ राख्ने खालका छन्. The short story revolves around the character of Mrs. Baroda and her inner conflict. यो छोटो कथा, यो लघु कथाको मुख्य कथा वस्तु revolves around the character. त्यही पात्र Mrs. Baroda र and her inner conflict र उनी भित्रको द्वन्द्वमा घुमेको छ. As she finds herself attracted to her husband's friend Governor. उनको श्रीमान को साथी Governor सँग उनी प्रभावित हुन्छ. The conflict follows the pattern of classical fiction. यो द्वन्द्वले काल्पनिक कुराको प्याटर्नलाई फलो गरेको छ. And moves from exposition to rising action. र प्रदर्शनीबाट उठानबाट अघि बढेर राइजिङ एक्सन घटनावस्तु बढ्दै जान्छ. and then to climax र उत्कर्षमा पुग्छ. and resolution त्यसपछि संकल्पमा टुङ्गिन्छ. Mrs. Baroda finds Mr. Governor staying with them in sugar plantation. Mrs. Baroda she finds Mr. Governor staying with them in sugar plantation. Sugar रोप्दै गरेको बेलामा बसेको पाउँछिन्. She is dissatisfied that उनी असन्तुष्ट हुन्छन् कि they have been doing a lot of fun. धेरै रमाइलो गरिरहेका हुन्छन्. But she is tired. तर उनी थकित हुन्छन्. She has hoped to take rest. उनले आराम लिने आशा गरेकी हुन्छन्. she is also upset. उनी दुखी पनि हुन्छन् because her husband's friend Governor is planning to stay a week or two at their plantation. उनको श्रीमानको साथी गभर्नेल त्यहाँ एक वा दुई हप्ता त्यो उखु रोपुन्जेल रहने योजना बनाउँछन्. She has never met गभर्नेल. उनले कहिले गभर्नेललाई भेटेकी थिइनन्. Despite the fact that she is aware that गभर्नेल and her husband were friends in college. तर उनलाई थाहा थियो कि उनी त्यो कुरा सचेत थिइन् कि गभर्नेल र उनको श्रीमान चाहिँ कलेज पढ्दा देखेका साथी थिए. And that he is now a successful journalist. र अहिले उनी सफल पत्रकार हुन् भन्ने कुरा पनि थाहा थियो. Before the meeting, उनीहरूको भेट हुनुभन्दा पहिले मिसेस बरोडा has a mental image of him. मिसेस बरोडासँग उनको मानसिक तस्बिर थियो. He is a tall, अग्लो, slim, पातलो, cynical, निन्दनीय खालको, with eyeglasses, आँखामा चस्मा लगाएको, and his hands in his pockets, र हात पकेट भित्र छिराएको. त्यस्तो पिक्चरको उनीसँग मेन्टल इमेज थियो. But a paradoxical thing happens after then. त्यसपछि उनीमा एउटा दोधारपूर्ण घटना घट्छ. When she meets गभर्नेल, जब उनी गभर्नेललाई भेट्छिन्, who is slim, ऊ पातलो थियो, but neither tall nor cynical. न त अग्लो थियो न त अविश्वसनीय थियो. She discovers that she really likes him. उनले पत्ता लगाउँछिन् उनले उसलाई साँच्चै मन पराउँछिन्. Mrs. Baroda gets wondered that why she loves Governor since he makes no special effort to impress her in any other way. Mrs. Baroda gets wondered. उनी छक्क पर्छिन् that why she loves Governor. किन उनले गभर्नेललाई माया गरिन्? Since he makes no special effort to impress her. उनलाई प्रभावित पार्न उनले कुनै पनि प्रयास गर्दैन. In any other way, कुनै पनि तरिका अपनाउँदैन. In the same way, त्यही तरिकाले she is unsure. उनी अनिश्चित छिन् कि why she likes Governor. किन उनले गभर्नेन्सलाई मन पराइन्? Because she does not see all of his positive characteristics. उनले कुनै पनि उसको सकारात्मक चरित्र पाएको थिएनन्. He doesn't appear intelligent. ऊ बुद्धिमानको रूपमा पनि उभिएको थिएन. But in reaction to her excitement, उनको उत्तेजनाको प्रतिक्रिया स्वरूप to welcome him, उनलाई स्वागत गर्नको लागि, and her husband's hospitality, उनको श्रीमानको आतिथ्य सत्कारको लागि, he appears quiet and kind. ऊ शान्त र दयालु रूपमा देखा पर्छ. He loves sitting on the field. ऊ फिल्डमा बस्नलाई मन पराउँछ. And listening to Gladstone explaining sugar plantation method. ग्याड्सनले उखु रोप्ने तरिका बताएको व्याख्या गरेको कुरा सुन्न मन पराउँछन्. He does not seem to be very bright. उनी धेरै चतुर जस्तो देखिँदैन. But he does appear calm and polite. उनी शान्त र नम्र रूपमा देखा पर्छन्. Mrs. Baroda finds Governor to be little confusing. Mrs. Barodaले पाउँछिन् गभर्नेललाई के कन्फ्युजिङ रूपमा. Yet she finds him to be charming and unoffensive. उनले पाउँछिन् कि उनी चार्मिङ खालको र अभद्र खालको काम नगर्ने. Unlike what she has heard from her husband Gaston. Unlike what she has heard from her husband Gaston. Gastonबाट उनले जे सुनेकी थिइन् त्यसको विपरीत. She finds him, उनले पाउँछिन्, way better than her. उनले सुनेको भन्दा राम्रो पाउँछिन्. She first leaves him alone with her husband. सुरुमा उनले श्रीमानसँग एक्लै छोड्छिन्. But as she works to overcome his nervousness, जब उनी उनको नर्भसनेसलाई जित्न थाल्छिन्, she begins to accompany him on walks. हिँड्दाखेरि सँगै हिँड्न थाल्छिन्. Her husband informs her that, श्रीमानले उनलाई जानकारी गराउँछिन् कि he will be staying another week and inquires as to why she does not want him to. उनीले श्रीमानले भन्छन् कि ऊ अझ केही हप्ता रहनेछ and inquires as to why she does not want him. र सोध्छन् किन तिमीले उनलाई मन पराएको छैन. Gerson is delighted when she says that she prefers him to be more demanding. Gladstone प्रभावित हुन्छन् जब उनले भन्छन् उनले उसलाई मन पराएको हुन्छ to be more demanding, अझ बढी रहोस् भनेर. Mrs. Baroda claims that she expected Governale to be more interesting. Mrs. Baroda ले दावा गर्छिन् she expected Governale to be more interesting. उनले आशा गरेकी थिइन् Governale अझ बढी रमाइलो खालका थिए. Gerson tells her that he does not expect disturbance over his visit. Gerson भन्छन् कि he does not expect disturbance. उनले कुनै पनि अवरोध चाहदैन over his visit, उनको भिजिटमा, and that he just wants a break from his busy life. उनी आफ्नो व्यस्त जीवनलाई रोक्न चाहन्छ. She sits alone on a bench. उनी एक्लै बेन्चमा बस्छिन् later that night. ढिलोसम्म त्यो रात. Puzzled and desiring to leave the plantation. छक्क पर्छिन् र चाहना राख्छिन् रोक्ने कुरा रोक्नको लागि, छोड्नको लागि. Having told her husband that she might go to the city in the morning and stay with her aunt. भन्छिन् अब म सहर जान्छु र आन्टीसँग बस्नेछु. She goes for the city next morning. भोलिपल्ट सहरको लागि जान्छिन् and does not return until Governale has left the city. सहर गभर्नेलले नछोडेसम्म उनी फर्केर आउँदैन. Gladstone requests that Governale return the next summer. Gerdsonले अनुरोध गर्छन् that Governale return the next summer. आउँदो गर्मीमा Governale फर्केर आउनेछन् ग्रीष्ममा. But she rejects. तर उनले अस्वीकार गर्छिन्. She subsequently changes her mind. तुरुन्तै उनले आफ्नो दिमागलाई परिवर्तन गर्छिन्. Much to her husband's surprise. उनको श्रीमानको surprise भन्दा अझ बढी, who assures her that Governale has not deserved her disapproval. Who assures, जसले निश्चितता दिलाउँछ her that, उनलाई दिलाउँछ कि Governale has not deserved. Governale इच्छा गर्दैनन् her disapproval, उनको अस्वीकार रोक्तिको. She tells her husband, उनले आफ्नो श्रीमानलाई भन्छन्, adding that she would now treat him with greater hospitality. उनले श्रीमानलाई व्यवहार देखाउन चाहन्छन् राम्रो अतिथि सत्कारको. By kissing him, उनलाई किस गर्दै and भोज र कसम खान्छन् that she has overcome everything. उनले सबै कुरालाई जितेकी छिन्. In this way the story ends. यस्तो तरिकाले कथा अन्त्य हुन्छ. We'll meet in the next video for question and answer. Question and answer को लागि म तपाईहरुसँग अर्को भिडियो पनि लिएर आउने छु. Thank you for being with me. I hope you will subscribe my YouTube channel Dev Prasad Pandit. Similarly, you will visit my website www.devprasadpandit.com.np. The contact number is also given there. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment the videos. Thank you for being with me. I hope you will get good marks in the examination. Thank you. Goodbye.